Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by connecting the G29 and launching Logitech G Hub. Make sure the wheel and pedals power up. Once G Hub opens, select the G29 device tile and look for firmware updates. Update now if prompted, because firmware changes how force feedback behaves. Next, run the calibration routine so G Hub knows the wheel center and rotation limits. This prevents sudden jolts when you alter feedback. After calibration finishes, keep G Hub open. You will adjust detailed force feedback parameters in the next step. Now you'll change the actual force feedback controls. First, move the overall strength slider to set base torque. Start around 50% as a neutral baseline and increase if underwhelming. Then refine effect strength to control vibrations and road detail, and lower damper or spring to reduce artificial resistance. Make incremental changes and use G Hub's live test or an in-game preview to feel differences. This helps you understand which slider affects understeer, potholes, or curb snap. Once satisfied, finish by assigning the new G Hub profile to your specific game, and then open the game to confirm its force feedback options are compatible. Make sure game FFB sliders don't override G Hub. Spend a couple of laps to evaluate steering weight and feedback detail. If understeer feels muted, raise effect strength slightly, and if wheel feels too heavy, reduce overall strength. If the wheel misbehaves, reboot the wheel and PC, confirm firmware is current. Try a different USB port and reinstall G Hub as a last resort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.